back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We're going to keep this one short, sweet, and to the point because this job is from Amazon and they need no introduction. Of course, the links, if you want to apply, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Amazon is hiring a full-time technical support associate. This is remote work from home. It is a seasonal contract. They are paying $15 an hour, except where otherwise required by law. Now, you have to live in one of the following states. There's quite a few states, so I'm not going to list them all. I'll leave it popped up for a second so you can read them on the screen. Of course, as always, you can also go down in the description box and pull this up. But they are basically looking for someone to help with technical support and help answer the phone. So this is a customer service job. Help customers investigate and resolve queries regarding to technical issues they're having with Amazon's digital services and devices. So this is going to be like the Kindle, the Echo, Fire TV, among others. You'll provide outstanding technical support to their customers. You'll be the first point of contact for the customers by answering their requests through phone, chat, and email, and use a variety of online tools that they give you to analyze and troubleshoot the issues in real time. You will investigate solutions and communicate effectively with the customers. Now, if that sounds like something for you, other than having to live in one of these states, they're not requiring any kind of college degree. You have to be at least 18 years or older, have great computer skills, great communication skills, and they want someone who has the ability to work different varying shifts Monday through Sunday. The operating hours are 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so they'll schedule you different shifts within that time. You also have to have a quiet, distraction-free space in your home that you can work so the customers can clearly hear and understand you. So they don't want a lot of background noise going on. Otherwise, you just need to have cable, DSL, or fiber optic internet, and you must be able to directly connect that router into the computer. Now, Amazon is going to ship you an Amazon laptop, headset, Ethernet adapter, and 2 security tokens to address provided in the application. So make sure you provide your correct address when applying, but they are going to give you all the equipment you need. All you need to do is have internet. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, give this video a thumbs up, like button. That does give me direct feedback. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.